Hello everyone. This road leads you to Kaajva Forest, nestled amongst the jungles of Gaganbawda, an hour-long drive from the city of Kolhapur. So let's get inside. Ramchandra Nilkantha Baudekar or Ramchandra Pant Amatya was a part of the Ashtapradhan Mandal. He served as the finance minister during the rule of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He also authored a book on politics and functioning of office of the great Maratha Empire titled Agnapatra. Parshuram Rao, the ninth generation descendant of Baudekars, built this palace. This vast property houses a beautiful architectural palace of 3 stories spread across 10,000 square feet. It now houses a museum with artifacts, weaponry from that area, and you can also see traditional pagadis and costumes that are housed inside. Now we move on to the homestay part of this property. Behind this vada, there is a play area for children. Also, there is a riverside family hall for large group stays, where you can get to stay in stone buildings like in the old historic days. This property is surrounded by beautiful sugarcane and corn fields. Also, the river Kumbha flows by sides. You can spot various flora and fauna around here, especially Shekru, the giant squirrel, which is also the state animal of Maharashtra. If you want to spend some time amongst nature and away from the hustle and bustle of the city, this is the place to be. To get more information about booking, fares, and how to reach here, you can log on to the website and get more details in the description below. If you have watched till now, do like, share, and subscribe this video as it is a motivation for us. So let's go ahead. If you wish to get a feel of staying in stone buildings like in the old times, there are 3 heritage family rooms on the Vada premises, whereas there are 2 additional rooms by the riverside called the riverside cottage rooms. Let's have a look inside. The dining facility is a highlight here, as the sitting area is flanked by beautiful corn and sugarcane fields. You get to eat delicious Maharashtrian thalis, and you can order veg as well as non-vegetarian food and get to taste the famous Tambda Pandhra Rassa here. The staff is courteous and helpful and always available. If you ever get bored by the serenity, the small library or the play area on the premises, you can be touristy and visit the places around. One of the places is Ramling Caves, a Pandav era temple complex in Palsambi. Let's have a look around. You can also visit the Gaganbawda Dam nearby and get to see the large reservoir here. Further, you can also visit Gagangiri Fort and get to see the Gagangiri Ashram on top. From here, we can see beautiful views of the valley around and even catch a glimpse of the sunset. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you.